time is 6:47. We are not completely out of the clear right now when it comes to Ida.
I guess we can be thankful it's not as much rain as we thought, Carson.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We've gotten lucky so far. No major reports of flash flooding on roadways just yet. No tornado warnings so far. But like Megan just mentioned, we are not out of the woods just yet. We got to stay weather aware going through the rest of today because we still have that flash flooding potential, and there's still a low-end chance in Sand Mountain to see a brief spin-up tornado later on. This morning, though, just a few hit-and-miss showers. That's all we're seeing on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. That heavier line of showers continues to weaken, but it's still there in the western parts of Jackson County. If you're near Princeton, High Top, heading closer to downtown Scottsboro, seeing some of those showers right now. What I'm watching over the next hour or two as we go through the morning rush hour is this shower activity in Marion, Winston, and Coleman counties. It is lifting to the north, so if you're in Franklin, Lawrence, Morgan counties, right along the I-65 corridors, you go through Morgan County, and maybe towards 565 and the rest of Madison County too over the next hour. We'll be watching those showers as they begin to move closer. I want to give you an idea of how much rain we've seen over the last 24 hours because some of us have seen quite a bit, especially out in Colburn and Franklin County where you see those yellow colors. That's close to 3 inches of rain. This goes back for the last 24 hours since about 7 o'clock yesterday morning. Close to 2 inches of rain near Florence and Lauderdale County. The further east you go, the less rain we've seen in general, just around an inch of rain in parts of Morgan and Madison County. And we actually did have some additional thunderstorms yesterday over Sand Mountain, and we've had more rain this morning. So we have one spot of around 3 inches of rain in western Jackson County. No flash flooding concerns for the time being, but that flash flood watch is still in effect until 1 o'clock tonight. There's the wide view, that heavy rain shield that moved through overnight. It's lifted northward into parts of Middle Tennessee. The center of Ida is actually still in northeastern Mississippi, and what you have going on right now is a dry slot making its way into eastern Alabama with some showers back building behind it. So Ida's center is still way out here in Mississippi. So again, until Ida moves out completely, we are not out of the woods just yet. On the Way 31 Skycam network, a very gloomy and a very damp start to your Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid-70s across the board. And because of that thick cloud cover and that rain lingering on again, off again all day long, those highs are going to stay in the 70s. 77, that's our forecast high later on this afternoon. And we'll still be in the mid-70s with that thick cloud cover continuing through the rest of your Tuesday evening. Future Radar is doing a really nice job pinpointing the showers and storms this morning. Here's 8 o'clock. You see those showers starting to lift back into North Alabama that we were just tracking down off to our south. And later on this afternoon, what we're going to be watching, especially right before we come on air for midday at 11, is a potential line of storms trying to develop east of I-65. Data sources are kind of going back and forth that that line will develop, but if it does, we'll have that potential for a quick spin-up tornado in northeast Alabama. There you see what's left of that line by 1 o'clock this afternoon. Just a few lingering showers by 6 p.m. as Ida starts to move out, starting to finally completely dry out overnight tonight. And then by tomorrow, we'll have a cold front moving through that'll give us a few more hit-and-miss showers and storms, especially west of I-65, but it's just a 20% chance. Many spots will remain dry tomorrow. Heavy rain, that's still our highest risk as we go through the rest of the day today. Can't rule out some flash flooding. That risk is in the medium category, and we still have that low-end chance for a spin-up tropical tornado. So stay weather aware and go ahead and download our Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app. You get live radar, watches, and warnings as soon as they are issued, if we have any, later on today. And we'll keep a close eye on things all day long on air and online at waytv.com. Once Ida moves out, plenty of sunshine for the holiday weekend with those temperatures in the mid-80s.